Oh, there it is. How weird's that, eh? Seeing a bird, making its fucking bubbles and just popping it just for fucking his own amusement. He's like, yeah, I find more fun in Northern. Northern's a shit place. It's boring as fuck, but I can pop bubbles in a puddle. Sick. No way, I'm watching this. As long as he's gonna do it, I'm gonna watch him. He looks like he's moonwalking backwards in the puddle. Cool. And look, it's even got the perfect music in the background. Look, oh sorry, baby, poking the eye. How are you feeling now? Look, he's got the music.
I'm glad I didn't have my nose ring in.
Splash in the puddle and pop some bubbles and then go and have some sex. Now there's bubbles over here, haha.
I should videotape you watching.
Do a backflip, Birdie. Oh, he's even doing the dog scratch. It's kind of smart. Up, back to puddles. How long do you reckon he stays here doing this every day?
I don't want to like stay here to watch.
Oh, come on. I'm gonna see if I can go over there and see if it stops. Oh shit, you've been busted, Brady. Oh, it doesn't care. Just go straight back to doing what he's doing. It's been popping bubbles for ages, eh?